Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to adjust a screen refresh rate in Windows 11 PC. The refresh rate of a monitor is the number of times per second that the image refreshes on the screen. A higher refresh rate can improve your gaming experience by reducing motion blur and screen tearing, while lowering your refresh rate can save battery power. In this video, we will show you two methods to adjust a screen refresh rate in Windows 11. First one method is through Settings app and another one is through Terminal app. So let me begin with the first one option, Settings app. For this, right click on the free space on the desktop and then select here Display Settings. On the display page, scroll down to the bottom and you will find this one related settings. Under this, click on this one advanced display. Here you will find choose a refresh rate option. Click on this one drop down menu and select a higher refresh rate in case your monitor supports it, and after that close this one window. Next one method is through this one terminal app. For that, right click on this one a start button and here select this one terminal admin. In case Windows prompts, click on this one yes button. On the terminal window, all you need to copy and paste run dll32.exe a space display.dll comma a space show adapter settings. I will put this one command in this video description also. In case you need, you can copy it from there. Just copy and paste and then press enter on the keyboard. This will open properties window. Here switch to this one monitor tab. After that, you can click on this one drop down menu that says a screen refresh rate and select a higher refresh rate for your PC or lower refresh rate for your PC according to your needs. After that, click on this one OK button and close this one window, and without restarting, these new settings will be applied throughout your Windows. That's all about this video. Bye.